Today in our 2016 Mazda CX-5, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Yakima Roof Rack system. Part number Y00423, those are going to be our Yakima CoreBar crossbars. Part number Y00148, those will be our SkyLine towers. And part number Y00233, those are going to be our landing pads for our CX5. The Yakima CoreBar roof rack system allows you to carry your vehicle accessories on your roof, whether those are bike racks, cargo baskets, or ski and snowboard carriers. The crossbar is an aerodynamic shape to help reduce wind noise and drag, but it is a heavy-duty material, which gives us a 220-pound weight capacity, though you do want to check your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure your roof can withstand that weight. These crossbars are going to work with most Yakima clamp-on accessories, and with the bars extending out past our towers, it'll give us more room to add more accessories. The SkyLine tower does have the option to knock out this plastic core here and add in the Yakima same key system lock core, which will help to prevent theft and tampering of your roof rack system. When you don't need to use your roof rack system, and if you want to remove it from your vehicle, we'll simply open up the door of our SkyLine tower, and we can remove it, then take the cover from our landing pads and place it back on. It is recommended that you use the 50-inch bars for our vehicle, but today we have our 70-inch bars on. You can notice that they don't extend out past our side view mirrors. It's just going to give us some extra space to add more accessories. Now that we've gone over some features, we're going to show you how to get this installed. Now we have our landing pad here. This is included with our kit. We'll get 4 sets of those. We have our SkyLine tower, again 4 sets of those. Our adapter for our SkyLine tower to fit onto our CoreBar, again 4 sets. We have our end caps for our CoreBars, the included tool to tighten down our landing pad to our roof. We have our hardware for our landing pad, and then the included tool that's going to tighten down our SkyLine tower to our crossbar. We've provided our own tape measure here. Now we can start by removing the cover on our landing pad. We're going to place the rubber portion on the bottom. We'll just fit that in. This is going to go on top of our roof and the holes that we pre-drilled. To prepare our SkyLine tower for our crossbar, we're going to take it and open up our cover here at the front, just pinching on each side. We'll see a bolt in the center here. We're going to loosen that up using our included tool. Once we have that loosened up, we can take our adapter piece and we're just going to fit it in over the top, making sure that the grips are on the outside. That's just going to click into place. We'll then take our adapter that attaches to our crossbar and we're going to secure it to this bolt here in the center. Hold it in place. Flip our tower around. We'll get to the bolt underneath there and we can tighten it down. We'll just take our SkyLine tower and slide it onto our crossbar. Now we'll come to our pre-drilled hole at the top on this weather strip. We're going to place our SkyLine tower over the top, making sure to line up our hole here with the hole that we've drilled. Next, we'll take this bolt from our kit with the plastic concave washer and place it on and drop it down into the hole. We'll take the tool that comes with our kit and we're just going to start to tighten down our bolt. Whenever we're tightening this down, we want to make sure that the weather strip all around the outside of our tower is completely flat. We don't want it to fold underneath itself. We'll just keep tightening this up until we have a nice secure fit. Now with an extra set of hands, we'll put our crossbar across our vehicle to place our towers so that they're sitting on our landing pad. Now we'll measure out our crossbar overhang. Now we're going to have a longer overhang because we do have the longer bars, and we'll just measure from the end of our SkyLine tower to the end of our crossbar. There is no specific measurement for this, we just want to even on each side. Now that we have our crossbar overhang measured out, we're going to tighten down this bolt here in the center of our SkyLine tower. This is going to tighten up our foot pack to our crossbar. Once we hear a click, we know we have that tight enough, and we can close up our cover here at the front. Again, we'll hear a click. We're going to know that our cover has secured our SkyLine tower to our landing pad. Lastly, we'll place on our end cap, sliding it into place and securing it. Now we're ready to load up our roof rack accessories.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.